Hey everyone, welcome to Drink Hub's exclusive analysis. Jumping into the natural gas daily chart, Nat gas has acting very well considering it had a multi-day pullback, closed negatively on Friday. It's bounced quite remarkably well off of what level? That's simply down sloping trend line. Right now, Nat gas is still holding structurally a little bit of a daily chart uptrend, but it has yet to break that weekly structure. We have not yet had that weekly close above this previous July pivot high. Until we get that, the weekly chart is still in a bit of a technical downtrend, but the daily chart is acting quite well. This is an area where I think that longs could be bought off of this area simply using a tight stop loss with this daily chart low pivot. If you were to get a daily chart close below, call it this 339, that would kind of be the risk and stop loss on the trade. I was still thinking that it was going to retest the 20-day moving average, so I do not hold any long exposure to Nat gas just yet. It could still come down, but that's why you want to keep a daily chart closing stop loss in the event Nat gas starts to sell off. But it's looking like they're maybe just going to pin Nat gas just slightly under its 7-day moving average heading into its inventory report. There is a big cluster of moving averages here. You got the daily 200, which we wicked through today and then got sold off of. That is also a key area, 352 currently speaking, that the bulls need to watch for. But nat gas inventories are probably going to be the next market moving event for this commodity that is set to take place on Thursday. Usually they do like to run nat gas up into inventories, so we will certainly see if nat gas can close above that daily 200 moving average ahead of that nat gas inventories. But right now, it's acting quite well. It's putting in the start of a weekly chart bull flag pattern. It needs a little bit more time. The pattern is a bit premature, but it's starting to show some signs of potentially accumulation and maybe the next leg higher into that $4 area. Again, I'm still waiting on the sideline. It hasn't given me the true signal, but I am looking still for a dip to be bought if we fall a little bit lower. Please give us a like down below and we'll see you on the charts a little later.